We are showing you something very special today. This house for sale is located in a secured subdivision here in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near SM Talabastagan. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property is priced at 28.5 million pesos. It has a lot area of 290 square meters, floor area of 256 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, staff room. It's furnished with CCTV and solar power. Contact us for viewing. Guys, brace yourselves kasi sobrang hindi kami ready for this. Sobrang ganda ng house. Kita nyo naman, sa fence pa lang, this is Spanish Mediterranean inspired. We have this clean fence right here. Our pedestrian gates over there. We have this gate for our cars. And it's situated on a corner lot. Okay? So, kita nyo naman guys how grand this property is. So let's go inside and use the pedestrian gate. On a street level, we step up to this beautifully crafted cobblestone dito sa entryway natin. Come in. To my right, meron tayo ditong aviary. Yung mga birds dyan. Then this area right here is for your gas tank and garbage. We have this very nice landscaping right here. Walk through here, we have our carport. This area can fit 2 cars. And that area right there can fit 1 big car. And may I just mention that this house is solar powered. So, ayan yung ating solar control. We have our faucet right here if you need, and power outlets if we ever need. Now, guys, one more pan nga dito sa ating harap kasi sobrang amazed ako sa design and craftsmanship ng property na to. We have some seating area in the front. And kung napansin nyo guys, ito sa ating alulod, this will make the water flow quiet when it's raining. Let's go in. Welcome. So we have this glass French door and French windows. Electronic lock. Come in. Wow, di ba? Come in. Now, this area right here is now being used as an office. So we have this wooden desk. Here, amazing custom artworks are included. We have this Bajong table, a recliner, more artwork, and by the way, the air conditioning is well hidden under those louvers. Very magandang tingnan. Okay? We have this sculpture right here. Amazing. And behind the camera, this is the living area. Imagine solid wood center table. We have a day bed right here. Very relaxing. Another exquisite artwork sa wall natin. We have a console right here and another artwork. Very nice. Okay? Before we go to the dining and the kitchen, I'd like to show you this area. We have a console right here and storage underneath. These are solihiyas. This door is our powder room. We have our sink and our toilet. Very well designed. Very good choice of tiling sa ating walls. And we have these open shelves right here for our accessories. And the door behind the camera is the staff room. So imagine guys, how smart the layout is. These stairs will lead to the bed area. Then this door is our staff's very own toilet and bath. Really spacious. Silip konti. Ayan. Really nice. Now, let's take our time to appreciate the architecture and the design. One more look sa ating office area. Our living area. Now let's go to the dining area. Guys, this behind this door is a 20-seater dining table. Imagine that. This is perfect if you want to bond with your family or have your guests around. Come in. This very long dining table for you to entertain your guest or have your daily meal. Very, very nice. I love the way that they place this faux olive trees right here. Sobrang bumagay sa theme natin. Ang ganda. Then, our kitchen setup. We have this counter right here. You have your wine racks, storage, more storage underneath, and sobrang simpleng detail, but I appreciate that the way that it's lighted and even under here. Right? Two-door refrigerator. We have our microwave oven. We have our oven. Then this is the sink. We have shelves and our range and range hood na branded made in Italy. Really nice. We have a cupboard right here. Very nice. Storage for your glassware. Siyempre, pag may guest ka, you serve them, di ba? Wine and dine. Really nice. And napansin ko lang din, guys, that the design of our ceiling is cathedral-like. So very akma siya sa theme natin na Spanish Mediterranean style. Amazing. Once again, the air conditioning are hidden on those louvers right there. We have a television, smart TV, and now this door is our pantry. So our pantry, we have open shelves above, drawers, and more storage underneath. Very convenient, no? We have more storage here for our other groceries or other supplies. Very nice kasi there's a place for everything. Ang ganda. Even under the floor, you can hide your vacuum here and all that stuffs. Pwede dyan. Okay? Amazing. Now this door leads us back to the main area. Ang ganda, guys, no? Do you agree? Comment down below if you agree. And please, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It helps the channel a lot. Now, let's go to the second floor. We have the stairs na lighted, solid wood, wooden handles. We have this metal support. So this is nice when you go up and down at night. It will be safe for you, okay? We have this space na pwede pa maglagay. Nakikita ko parang plant dyan to make it more green. Really nice. Now this door, let's save it for last. Okay? Let's go through here first. This is the laundry room. We have our counter right here. We have our sink, storage for your laundry stuffs, and your washer and dryer. Amazing, no? And it's well ventilated kasi may tayong exhaust dito. Really nice. The walls are stucco finish and very smooth siya for a stucco finish. Parang wallpaper. Now, in here, we have this shared bathroom that will be shared by the next two rooms. Pakita ko na sa inyo. Spacious bathroom. We have sink, toilet, and enclosed shower with lighted shampoo niche. Very nice. Rainfall shower head. We have our ventilation right here. Amazing. These are your linen closet. So, if you have extra beddings, pwede siyang i-hide dyan. Let's go to the first bedroom. Are you ready? Amazing, guys. Look at this. You have this bunk bed na custom made, and the mattresses are from Emma. We have this built-ins for your stuffs. Then we have a door right here that overlooks the front of the house. Yan, parang mini balcony siya. Okay? We have a desk right here or your vanity. More storage right here. Air conditioning is installed. And I'd like to take you up here. At ang ganda pa nito because the steps have storage. So smart use of space. Pakita natin how it looks like up here. And hindi siya claustrophobic kasi even the second floor is very high ceiling. Okay? Now let's go back down. Ang ganda. Now, bedroom number 2, similar to the first bedroom, bunk bed. We have the steps going up. We have access to the balcony right there. Built-in cabinets right here. Vanity over here. Air conditioning is Daikin. Like I always say, this is my favorite brand. Baka naman Daikin. Sponsor us. Now, going back to the hallway, ito yung pinaka-highlight ng bahay. Actually, each area has their own beauty, but this one is my favorite, the master bedroom. Welcome. Big wooden door. Smart lock. Your bed is right here. Ang ganda pa ng arch na lighted dyan. We have side tables on either side, outlets on either side, and may control na rin yung lights on either side para when you're lying down, hindi ka natatayo to control the lights. Then we have this bench right here, and my favorite is the day bed. This one, I feel na napakasarap mag-relax dito. After a day's work, mag-lounge ka dito, read your book, or doom scroll. It's up to you. Napakaganda. Now guys, let's go to the walk-in closet. Guys, this is so amazing. You have this very nice vanity area for you to fix yourself, skincare, and all. You have this faux leather seat right here. We have this abundant space for your clothes. We have this glass storage that can literally store your perfume collection, your bag collection, and so on. And more racks right here. Mas may drawers pa tayo for your other items. Now these curtains lead to the master bathroom. We have our, let me just turn this on. Better, okay? We have this huge mirror, counter, and your sink. You have a toilet and enclosed shower that is very spacious. Rainfall shower head. Very good choice of tiling. Amazing. I have to say this, but this is by far my favorite property na na-feature. Next to the 75 million beach house. So now, let's do the recap. This property is priced at 28.5 million pesos. It has a lot area of 290 square meters, floor area of 256 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, living, dining and kitchen, staff room. It's furnished with CCTV and solar power. Contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.